Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the KALL IK12 wireless soundbar. On the front of the package, we can see an image of the soundbar. To the left, we have the KALL IK12 branding. Underneath that, we see that it is a 12-watt wireless soundbar. And underneath that, we have some of the salient features, which include wireless audio, USB port, radio FM, and auxiliary input. On the top side of the package, we have a close-up image of the various ports and buttons that are on the soundbar, and they have been neatly marked out with some arrows. The things that we get are a TF card, charging port, auxiliary input. We also get ARC, a USB port, previous song button, play pause button, forward song button, and a volume control knob on the front, which also doubles as a power on off button. To the right hand side, we have a descriptive slogan that says powerful sound anytime, anywhere. The back of the box is exactly the same as the front. And on the bottom of the package, we have some of the technical specifications. So let's go through that now. The connection method is Bluetooth. Wireless transmission range is 10 meters. Sound modes include movie mode and music mode. Audio noise ratio is greater than or equal to 75 decibels. Audio input is 3.5 mm. Loudspeaker specifications are 52 mm multiplied by 4, which means there will be 4 drivers of 52 mm each. Output power is 16 watts. Loudspeaker frequency range is 100 Hz to 18 kHz. To the left of the technical specifications, we have the warranty information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Below that, we have the 2 color options, and we can see that the black box is ticked, which means that we have the black version of the product. To the left hand side, we have some illustrations of the features, which include treble speakers, TF card support, and stereo effect. Those are just the ones that we haven't mentioned before. To the right, we have a sticker which has some of the information regarding the importer and manufacturer, and underneath on the bottom of the sticker, we have the customer care details. On the right hand side and on the left hand side of the package, all we have is the KALL logo and branding. So that's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material in the form of a user manual. This should help you understand the various functions and the buttons and help you get started off with using the soundbar. Next up, we have 2 cables, the first of which is a USB-C to USB-A cable. It's approximately 20 inches long. Next, we have a 3.5 mm audio cable. This too is 20 inches long. Coming to the soundbar itself, the front has a metallic grill on it, behind which the speaker drivers are. In the middle, we have the volume knob, which also serves as the power on or power off button. To power it on, all we need to do is rotate the volume knob clockwise. Around the knob, we have a blue LED light. On the right hand side, we have the KALL branding. On the top side of the soundbar, we have the various interfaces and buttons that we have already gone through on the box. On the top, we have some matte black plastic finish that runs all the way across the soundbar, except for on the front, which has the speaker grill. On the back of the soundbar, we have a similar finishing along with a cable that is basically the antenna. On the bottom, we have 2 rubberized feet or anti-slip pads, which act as the legs of the soundbar. So this was the unboxing of the KALL IK12 12-watt wireless soundbar. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.